Hello and welcome to the product overview and demo of the DNB CDI application. During this demo and overview session, we will cover the following topics: overview of the DNB CDI tool, overview of the DNB CDI tab, overview of the DNB CDI maintenance tab, using the one-click option, using the bulk update option, using the fast patch option. Overview of the DNB CDI application. D&Bs Customer Data Integrator enriches your customer and prospect data with the most current, accurate, and complete information available. DNB CDI is a managed package which supports enterprise, developer, and unlimited editions of Salesforce. The important benefits of using DNB CDI are elimination of duplicates, enriched customer information, accurate account rollups, customer segmentation. The application provides an interface between Salesforce and DNB. This application updates the accounts and leads record with latest updated information from DNB database, thus ensuring that your SFDC org is always up to date with the latest and most accurate data. DNB CDI Web tab. This is one of the most important sections of the DNB CDI application. As you can see, there are three subsections under the DNB CDI tab. These are called mapping products. We will explain these mapping products in detail a little later. Each mapping product has up to 3 buttons available for the user. Buy, perform one-click and fast patch update using the Buy button present on the first and second mapping products. History. Check the jobs or transactions performed by the user for a particular product using the History button present on all 3 mapping products. Map. Map is used to map the DNB fields with the SFDC fields as per your organizational requirements using the Map button present on all 3 mapping products. Mapping Product 1. Match to DNB and enrich with DUNS number only. Let's start with the first mapping product, which is Match to DNB and enrich with DUNS number only. This mapping product is only used to get the DUNS number from the DNB database. No linkage and business information enrichment is done using this mapping product. This mapping product has 3 buttons at the top center which performs different operations in the DNB CDI application. These buttons and their usage has already been explained in the previous section. Mapping Product 2. Match to DNB and enrich with DUNS number and business information. Now let's go to the second mapping product, which is Match to DNB and enrich with DUNS number and business information. This mapping product is used for getting business information and linkage information enrichment, if available, along with the DUNS number. Mapping Product 3. Enrich records with DNB Corporate Family Linkage. Last but not the least, let's talk about the third mapping product, Enrich records with DNB Corporate Family Linkage. This mapping product is used to get the linkage information from the DNB database. As the linkage information is returned, if available, only after the business information section has been enriched, there is no buy option available for this mapping product, as linkage information is not pulled on a standalone basis. This concludes the DNB CDI tab. DNB CDI Maintenance tab. Let's now move on to the DNB CDI Maintenance tab. This is the admin section of the DNB CDI application. Using this tab, users can control, update, activate, deactivate various settings, operations performed during the DNB updates as required. Please note, only those users who are part of the DNB public group will have access to this tab. One-click option. Using the one-click option, user can update individual records of account and leads by clicking on DNB Update button present on the account or lead page. click DNB Update button present on the top of the account page. As soon as you hit the DNB Update button, account name and address information of this account is sent to the DNB database as a query string to get the possible matching records from the DNB side and display the same to the user so that user can select the exact match. We get the response of the query string in form of an entity matching table where all possible matches returned from the DNB database are shown, and the user can select the required correct match out of these. Select the required or correct match from the entity matching table. After DNB update process is complete, the application returns to the account, which will now have the DNB fields populated with DNB information. DNB update is a three-step process which covers record matching, business information enrichment, and linkage information enrichment. Bulk update. Using the bulk update options, user can update a bulk or group of records in one go using the DNB CDI application. Bulk update is initiated using the Buy button present on the two mapping products under the DNB CDI tab, which are Match the DNB and Enrich dunce number only, Match to DNB and Enrich with dunce number and business information. So let's start with the fast patch demonstration. Click on the Buy button present on the top center of the second mapping, which is Match to DNB and Enrich with dunce number and business information. Then you will see the entity selection screen where you will select the object, account or lead which you want to update using the application. After selecting the required entity, you will see the filter screen where you can use the filter criteria to extract the records from your SFDC instance as required. As you can see, there is a checkbox present under the filter section. If checked, will show you the records which don't have dunce number in them, else you will see all the records which have dunce number as well as which don't. Click on Go. After applying the filter criteria and clicking on the Submit button, you'll see the record extracted from the SFDC environment depending upon the filter criteria used. The records extracted will be displayed in the next page or screen. If you think the records returned are not appropriate or according to your expectations and you want to change the filter criteria, just click on Cancel button. You will be returned to the filter screen showing the previous filter criteria under the filter section. There is another option present on the screen, which is Batch Name. Here you can assign a name to the bulk update you are doing to keep track of the same in the near future. Select the records which you want to update by checking the checkbox present against them, or if you want to update all of them, then click on Select All option. Till here, everything which we have done is same like we did in bulk update. The real difference between bulk and fast patch starts from here. As you can see, there is a checkbox Process using fast patch present under the records table. For doing the fast patch update, this checkbox should be checked. After selecting the records and checking the checkbox, click on the Submit button. You will be returned to the DNB CDI tab. As in fast patch, you don't see the entity matching table for the record submitted. The application processes the records in the back end and selects the first record from the entity matching table returned from the DNB database depending on the confidence level set. You can check the status of fast patch update by going to the history. Basically, fast patch option is used for updating a large number of records and where dunce number information is present in the record, because by selecting such records, the application will pull the correct information from database by using the dunce number as the primary key. There will be no mismatch of data before and after update. Thank you for listening to us. For any further queries, please contact us at products@astadia.com.